Hello, Mr. Heeb here. In the next 5 videos, we're going to make 3D animations in Minecraft, and this is the specific animation that we're going to be making. So first, what we need to do is start building the base. So we start with our basic code to import time and flatten the world. I made the world have grass on it. You can do whatever you choose, but that's my starting spot. Now this time we're going to do something different, and we're going to make it so we can have our x, y, and z at any point. So I'm going to start and say x equals 0, y equals 0, and z equals 0. And all of our code is going to be based off the variables x, y, and z, rather than having it hard-coded with real numbers. You'll see what I mean as we start coding. So this is our plan for this. So instead of numbers, again, we have x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 4 on the x-axis. The y-axis, or I should say our z-axis, is the same thing, from z all the way up to z plus 4. So if I want the base, I'm going to go from x, y, z to x plus 4, y, z plus 4. So on the code, this is what it's going to look like. So first I'm going to start off, and I'm going to say I'm going to build a frame, building the base, and I should say that also this is frame 1. So throw that in there. All right, so now when we start building the base, we're going to start with the stone around the outside. So mc.setBlocks, x, y, z, start in the lower left-hand corner, then x plus 4, y, and then z plus 4. There we go, and the block number is going to be 1, which creates the stone. So I've thrown a 1 once I run this, and then we can see the stone base. Now we need to fill in the inside. I'm choosing glowing obsidian, but what I need is to go from x plus 1, z plus 1 to x plus 3, z plus 3. So we do mc.blocks, x plus 1, y, z plus 1. Then we have x plus 3, y, z plus 3. And now my glowing obsidian is 246. All right, now I run this, and you can see the glowing obsidian inside.